What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular Saturn update, man. I'm about to go get the battery for this thing, get this thing started, cleaned up, get the interior all taken care of, get all this mileage and stuff off the window, get the interior clean. This thing is like completely dead right now, so like I'll just show you guys. Literally completely dead. Yeah, no juice at all in this thing, so we definitely got to get a battery. After that, we'll put that thing in, go get this thing cleaned up. We already cleaned and got it vacuumed. Now we just got to like spray some of that detailer on some of these parts in here, get them shined up, and then just get this thing ready to sail. Tires are a little low, so gotta get those things pumped up too, because I actually might have a buy for this thing, so we'll see what happens. But if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's pop this battery out. This one got like a little clamp on it. That's why I ain't been working with it. Honestly, I ain't been trying to get these clamps off, but I'll get these clamps off right now, and then we'll head to TJ's. Alrighty, now that we got that battery out, like 4 bolts later, this thing was like in there with like, haven't seen that before. It's like in there with like 4 bolts. But we got it out. Let's head to TJ's and go get a new one. Alrighty, guys, just now pulling up at TJ's Batteries. Let's get this thing offloaded and back in the car. Alright, we got the fresh batteries straight from TJ's. 35 bucks. Come get yourself right, man, if you in Vegas. You got a dead battery. Alternators, starters, anything like that. Quick little intermission real quick. Had to come by and get a car wash because they got like literally the same company car wash that I go to over here by the little battery place. So gotta get this thing cleaned out, man. They don't have any vacuums available because of the coronavirus, so only the outside can get clean, but definitely gotta find like a portable vacuum or something like that. So stay tuned and we'll hop back at the house and see what we can get done to this Saturn, man. We do got the battery, so let's get it. Alrighty, now that we made it back to the house, got our battery here. Let's just check our fluids. We still got some antifreeze in the reservoir tank right there. We can just top it off a little bit. But other than that, everything else looks fine. I already checked it, so let's get that battery in and try to get this thing started up. Where is the key? We got some time, so we got some. Cranked right up. We're gonna let it run for a little bit here, but I'm definitely gonna go get like an oil change and just make sure the fluids and stuff are up to par. But for now, we're gonna get this inside cleaned up. We might even be able to get the headlights today, but it's all vacuumed out and everything, so it's literally not much to do left, but it is a little bit of stuff to do, so let's get to it, man. And then it's running good, sounds really good in here. I don't see or hear anything that stands out. I gotta get this stuff off the mirror now. I gotta find a razor blade or some sort, man. So, but these headlights will be getting restored because they are pretty like blurred out, so we'll get both of those taken care of right now. Alrighty, guys, so we got the inside pretty much wiped down, pretty much as clean as we can pretty much get it right about now. However, I'm just about to go to the car wash, get this thing washed up one more good time, go to the car wash. While I'm at the car wash, I'm going to do the headlights there, And then we should be able to take some pictures and get this thing sold pretty soon, man. So let's get to the car wash and then get this thing all cleaned up again. All loaded up. I'm so used to the push start in the Camaro. I don't even take my keys out of my pocket no more. Cranked right up. Even better this time. Ooh, we got some Michael Jackson, but we can't play you, dog. They gonna cut us off. Got that copyright. And we got our change oil light soon on. So honestly, probably might do that first, but definitely I know I need to change the oil, so we'll get it done here. I just made it to O'Reilly's. We got to go in and see if they have any razor blades to get this writing off the window. So let's go get that and get that writing off real quick. I should have been had one of these.
Oh.
I should have been had one of these. I always need one.
Yeah.
Let's see how good this little scraper works. Oh. Yeah, that worked perfect. It's way easier. Yeah. It's way easier. Might as well stop at Goodyear to get our tires filled up properly, just to make sure none of them are low. Yeah, this one, huh? Yeah, I was just looking at this. Yeah, so both of the fronts need replacing, man. We gotta go find some used tires or something, man. Y'all tires here are a little bit too expensive, man. But yeah. And we are back on the road. No issues right now. The oil change light went off. And I'm trying to find some tires while we're out, because the front ones are pretty much whooped. So trying to get those swapped before they blow up on me. So that wouldn't be good. We're actually at a whole nother Goodyear, and I just seen a Valvoline oil change or something for like 20 bucks. So I'm gonna go in and see how much it's gonna be for this thing really quick, because if it's 20 bucks, they can do it really quick. Well, that was fast. Basically, they're about to close up for the day, I guess, like because of this corona stuff. Everything is like closing down either earlier or not even opening. So he said tomorrow it's going to be 20 bucks at about 9 o'clock in the morning. So 20 bucks for an oil change and a filter. Hey, I'll let them do it. I won't even have to get dirty. I think we spoke a little too soon, because the car wash is freaking closed, unfortunately. Wow. It sucks. Maybe, I guess, better luck tomorrow, huh? And guys, we're just about back at the crib, man, but this thing is running really smooth, man. I'm glad we got that battery changed out, so now that we can just hop in this thing on the fly. But I guess today we're not going to be able to get our oil change or our car wash, so maybe tomorrow we'll be able to get those things done. As for the tires, they called one shop. They want like $35 a tire. I feel like I can get that thing like at least like at 20 bucks a tire. Maybe if I go to the junkyard, I might be able to get one for like $10 a tire. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna probably jump on that tomorrow. Maybe we can find something cheaper at the junkyard. Who knows? We're back at the house, man. We couldn't get much of nothing done, so at least we're gonna get the headlights taken care of, so that way tomorrow when we do go to the car wash, it'll already be taken care of and we don't gotta do it there. So that'll be one less thing we have to worry about. So with that said, let's get right into it now, shall we? Can actually start this thing up and see if the lights are a little bit brighter or not. And I don't know why it does that when it starts sometimes. It does kind of still lag a little bit. But I mean, headlights do, I mean, they're not like LEDs or nothing like that, so you can't really tell. But it is what it is. We did what we could. All right, it's real early next morning here, about 6 a.m. See if this thing starts up. Okay. We got some startage action. A little cold, a little lag on the startup, but no big deal. No big deal. We up early morning, man, cruising in this junk. Got that heat on blast, dog. The thing feel good than a mother, man. Smooth, you feel me? No traffic in this bit, you know what I'm saying? Nah, man, I'm up cruising early in the morning, man. I ain't really got much to do. I be in the house all day, every day. So anytime I can get out the house, man, I'm taking it. Alrighty, guys, so we called up Goodyear, got an appointment. Thought it was gonna be like 9 a.m. this morning. Definitely not gonna happen. They said more like 10 a.m. So now I just called the auction. They said you can still come check out the cars in person, but they're gonna have the auctions online. So we'll see how that goes. We'll go up there and see if they have anything. But digging a Camaro, man, I can't wait to freaking get into this thing. I really haven't even been like on it just because of this situation. I had a lot of stuff planned out, but just, you know, we're just on the edge right now, just waiting to see. But definitely want to mod this thing. Can't wait. So we're just now leaving one of the auctions that we have during the week here in town. Just called the junkyard to see how much a couple of tires would be. They were saying like 25 each for the size that we needed for that Saturn. So it just makes more sense to me just to do the 35 because they're going to be, you know, put on and everything. So we're going to go probably grab those tires today after this, but let's see. Alrighty, guys, made it to Goodyear, man. Let's get this oil changed and head to the car wash, man. I'm tired of saying it. 20 bucks though, it's like 45-minute wait, man, but you can't beat it. I'd rather pay 20 bucks and sit an extra 20 minutes than pay 42 bucks for 15 minutes. Haha, started right up, no issues. Tidied up. There it is. Both tail lights work, reverse lights work, and that middle light up there works, so that's cool. Was that oil super dirty or what? Oh, you didn't even check it out? He didn't check that shit out. He was like, ain't nobody who looked at oil gonna be like, they either gonna tell you yeah or no. These motherfuckers, dog. So they done got the oil change done. I'm sure they just about to go test it out. But it's running. Idling pretty fine. We still got that oil change soon light on. Maybe we can reset that, but we can actually take these old little mileage stickers off and then leave that new one, so we're good to go. Got some fresh oil in this joint. We'll have to get this thing washed up for the last and pretty much final time. Get some pictures to get this thing sold, and it's pretty much gonna be parked until it does. Not even gonna front, it definitely feels a little bit more reactive now. Definitely feel like it's that fresh oil change helped it out, but we definitely still float now, so that's all a plus. And then I read something online about getting that little latch light to go off, so we might be able to get that figured out up here. We'll see what happens. Alrighty, guys, so wow, look at this. They have a rope pulling another truck. Wow, you see everything out here, dog. But we rolling, this thing clean. Got the AC on chill. Feel me, cooling on low. Just cruising right now. Get y'all an outside view because there's no vacuums or anything at the car washes because of the virus thing, but you guys will see. Alrighty, guys, we have made it back home. Thing is all washed up. Got the headlights clear for as much as we can get it. We got the oil change on it. We got the outside clean. We got the inside clean. Oh, that Michael Jackson is playing. Let me cut that off. Got the outside clean, got the inside clean. Seats are a little bit worn. Back seats is totally fine. Nothing, no trash or anything like that. Pretty good looking car. We got 110,000 miles. That trunk light is still on, but everything else in here looks pretty intact, to say the least. Just give you guys a quick walk around. It is done for the most part. I just need some new tires on these things, because these things are pretty much about to blow. But other than the tires, man, this thing is done and ready to sell, man. So what do you guys think about the Saturn, man? Let me know in the comments below. The AC does work. We was just riding all the way back. AC, no overheating or nothing like that. Car drives really smooth, smells really good. Feel like this is a really good buy, man. And just like that, we're in the Beamer, and she really left this thing on 6 miles, dog. That's crazy. I guess this is what it's like when it's a quarantine, coronavirus, and you gotta stay indoors, man. It's nothing else to do but take the cars through the car wash, and I guess just make sure everything is clean. I don't see how females keep their car like this, man. This thing is dirt, like dirt packed on top. Like, it's probably rained like a grip of times. I don't even know. This thing crazy. Then we've been in the house on top of that, so now look at the dirt. There ain't nothing else to do, man, but go to the car wash and get car washes if you're a car guy. I could dig the light stuff. I dig it. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. We got that Saturn all cleaned up. We got the inside cleaned out. We did that. We got the outside clean. We got the oil change. We got the headlights a little bit clear. I don't know, more or less. You guys let me know what you think about it in the comments below. It's nothing really to do out here, honestly. The auctions are like doing either online bids or like silent bids and stuff like that. So not really my thing. It's like, if I'm gonna do that, I can go to Copart, but then again, you might be able to get a car for even cheaper now. So I don't know, if you want to take that gamble, that's one thing, but then it's like, okay, boom, you take that gamble and you're going to be sitting on it for a while because the DMV is closed. So I don't know if they're still processing titles or not, which I highly doubt, but I don't really want to be sitting on anything. I'd rather have cash and like everything liquidated. So I'll be holding on to the Saturn until I can sell it. But other than that, man, I mean, for the most part, it's ready to sell right now. We just, waiting. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's nothing to do out here. So as you've seen, we got all the cars cleaned up, man. Now it's time to head back to the house where we've been like 11 days, like 23-hour days, honestly. So it is what it is, though. Fortunate to be here. So let's get it. And just like that, she all cleaned up and good to go.